Hello students. Today's tutorial is for BA Part second year student of English literature. Today we will discuss about the romantic age. As knowing about this age is very important because most of the poems fixed in your syllabus are based on the romantic age, and most of the writers who belong to this age are prescribed in your syllabus. So it is very necessary to know about romantic era or romantic age. So let us begin. English literature is divided in so many ages. Romantic age begin after the end of neoclassical age, that is also known as the age of reason. We should know some characteristics of neoclassical age because the romantic age was sharp contrast against the neoclassical age. Neoclassical age is also known as the age of reason because the most of the writers of the neoclassical age wrote about the wisdom, and they tried to show their wisdom and intellectuality through their literature. Their whole endeavor was to show their wisdom. They strictly follow the rules, and most of the literature of a neoclassical age were written in heroic couplets. In short, we can say that the neoclassical writers tried to show their intellectuality through their literature. Romantic age was a sharp revolt against the neoclassical age. Not any age starts suddenly, it takes time. Romantic age also started slowly. There were some poets or writers who belonged to the age of transition. Transition means the period when we shift from one age to another age. In between that period, there was an age that is known as the pre-romantic age. The writers, though they were influenced by the neoclassical writers, but there was a sign of the beginning of the new age, and there was a rejection of neoclassical writers. The major pre-romantic writers were Thomson, Gray, Collins, and Cowper. They wrote about childhood memories, personal emotions, death, and morality. They were also influenced by the Dryden and Pope, who were the neoclassical writers, but there was also a shift in subject matter and in treatment. Now, after the pre-romantics started the romantic age. It began in 1798 with the publication of the Lyrical Ballads, which was written by Wordsworth and Coleridge. It is also necessary to understand the historical background of any age to understand the need of this beginning of any moment. So the romantic moment began just after the beginning of the French Revolution, which began in 1789. Liberty, equality, and fraternity were the three major slogans of the French Revolution, which had a great effect on the population also, and it was the time of Industrial Revolution. Just because of the Industrial Revolution, people attracted towards the city life, and they shifted from villages to city. With the rush of people in urban areas, the cities became full of slums. They became dirty, filthy. There were poverty, disease spread everywhere. With the effect of all this, the writers began to dislike the city life and also the materialism, and they denounced the city life through their literature. So the major characteristics of the Romantic age: first of all, they rejected the city life and materialism and adopted the love of nature. They want to go back to nature and appreciate the beauty of nature through their literature. Second thing, they reject the idea of imitation and started focusing on creativity. The theme of their literature were based on the personal emotions and feelings. As Wordsworth defined poetry as the spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings. Romantics were firm believers of mysticism and supernaturalism. They used the language of common men. The major Romantic writers were 6. They are divided into the older Romantics and the younger Romantics. Among the older Romantics are William Wordsworth, Samuel Taylor Coleridge, and Robert Southey. And among the younger Romantics are George Gordon Byron, Percy Bysshe Shelley, and John Keats. The major prose writers of the Romantic age were Lamb, Hazlitt, Walter Scott, and De Quincey.